I've finished modeling the actual face and the cameo, I can go ahead and bring in some more details to surround the face. I'm going to go back to my import model environment, and I'm going to open up the leaf STL. It's just a basic extrusion done in Rhinoceros, tessellated, and saved as an STL. I'm going to set my import mode to no fill, saying this is a closed volume, and set my clay coarseness to refine shape. Click Finish when I'm done. Now it's important to note that my model will come in at the same place that it is generated in Rhino. The first thing I'm going to do with my leaf is I'm going to establish a mirror plane. And although I haven't manipulated or modified my leaf at all, I'm going to mirror it over and apply that mirror, because I'll be referencing it a few times during the modeling exercise. Next step is to use the Smooth Area command, and using the Select All feature, moving the smooth level to its middle point, clicking Apply, to sand down and give an organic feel to the hard-edged NURBS model. I'm going to use the Draw Curve tool, and I'm going to actually touch the surface of this leaf. And I'm feeling the contours around it, which is allowing me to dynamically draw curves around the interior of this leaf model. Using the Mirror Curve tool and referencing my mirror plane that I had established earlier, I can go ahead and copy that curve to the other side. Just going to use the Edit Curve tool to make sure that my endpoints are aligned and I have a closed curve loop. And then using the Tug Area tool, as used before, grabbing from the back, I'm going to create a depression in the back of the leaf. I can hide my curves now and move to the Tug tool. I can use the plus and minus keys to change the area of influence on my Tug tool. I'm going to activate the Interactive Mirror tool as well. And I'm going to manipulate this shape. You can see that both sides, since the Interactive Mirror tool is on, will be manipulated together. You can move the tool to the center to raise up some details in the center. Now push down the front, push down the back, lift up the sides. And click Apply. Then I'm going to go to my object list and increase the clay coarseness up one level to an Add Detail. I'm going to use the Attract tool to establish a center vein just by running it down the surface of the clay model. Then using the Smooth Area tool once again, selecting the whole area, this time moving the smooth level down to a lower setting and clicking Apply, I can smooth out any inconsistencies. I'm going to move to any of the selection tools, select this entire leaf, copy it, and paste it as a new piece. My object list will be populated with a new piece. I'm going to go ahead and rename both of my pieces now. I'm going to reposition the origin of the piece to its center, and then interactively reposition the piece itself using the Phantom Omni. Within the Reposition tool, I can also change scale. Position it so it's intersecting the original leaf, and then use the Tug tool to push down any protruding areas. Now I can combine my second leaf into my first leaf. I'm going to choose the coarseness setting of the first leaf. Using the Connected Spheres tool, I can accent the transition of these two leaves. Positioning each of these spheres with the Phantom Omni. Moving to a top view, I can go ahead now and mirror my results.